Hello, how are you all? I think so fine. After some time we met today. We will go now with text because text is also important for you for your examinations and many things regarding all these things. So let's have text. We would like to go with the first lesson. As you know, the scenario has been changed after COVID-19. You all know what is COVID-19. We can say Corona. So now you are learning at your home, sitting over there watching videos and going through notes or not, and I don't know, but yet you are with something that is needed to you. Now we will go through the lesson, same with the same scenario over there. Our topic of the lesson is, you all got, I think so, textbook behind. Then please open page number not given, fifth one. Go through the textbook. You must be with the textbooks while you are going through my lecture. Either it is grammar or textual. We will go with some little textual. I am starting our textual portion. Content we can say about prose and poetry. So let's begin with the first lesson. Before that, I would like to say about this thing that you have gone through with this lesson. You are already in this lesson. You are already in this lesson. Can you get me properly? No, you can't get my words properly. You are going through this lesson. Means nowadays you are going through this scenario, this particular phenomenon of your own. Means you are studying at home with the videos and this and that things. So I might have told in your class or no, I don't know properly. But I told that there will be no bags. You will come with laptop. I told like this, that the new scenario of education, the progress of education goes through this thing. But nowadays it has already been changed. Whenever you want to go through SS, you are going through SS. Whenever you want to go through maths, you are going through maths. Whenever you want to go through science, you are going through science. Means something has been changed. God graces, I don't know, but might be God graces. You are changing the globe, the world, the earth is being changed nowadays. Might be due to this thing, this corona, but now we are just jumping towards, we can say, 22nd century, not 21st year, 90 years, 20, but I am saying that 22nd century we are jumping. The same thing is derived in our lesson number 1. The title of the lesson is The Fun They Had. Who had? So I have written some characters. 2 characters are there, main character. It's Margie. Somebody pronounce Margie. Yeah, typical pronunciation as you all know according to your mind that works today. And Tommy, everybody knows, especially a name given to a dog. But in foreign country it is not so. In India we are giving name to dogs, Tommy. But in foreign countries most probably boy is having the name Tommy. Now I have written something here. Computer screen I have written. Why? What is this thing? This we will go through our lesson. So the fun they had, the writer is Isaac Asimov. So by the name we can say this is a Russian writer. Russian, French people, they have typical name. As they think that Indian have typical name. Ram, they are writing Rama. So this is the Sanskrit pronunciation over there. One of my 10th standard student asked, sir, why RAM? Why not RAM? So because beta, it is so, because we were speaking Sanskrit language. Rama. So whatever we spoke, they read it out in the languages. Now we are going to go with the lesson. Number 1, the fun they had. Be with your textbook. It's a very good lesson. So it is, I will go little bit fast, little bit quick before you read. The story we shall read is set in future when books and schools as we know now. there will perhaps no access. So means future. There will be no books. Obviously, I told that you will come with laptops. How will children study then? The diagram below may give you some ideas, some virtual classification, learning through computers, robotic teachers, moving e-text. So this is change. We are going in another world. The world of computers, we can say. Now, in pairs, discuss this thing, this all you can do, and if you want to do, I insist you do these 3 paragraphs regarding this thing. Now I am starting the lesson. Margie even wrote about in that night in her diary. Again the word came diary regarding to in front of you. As I told in your class in 8th standard also that if you want, you can maintain a diary. You can do. This will help you in future. So Margie, our little girl, she is writing diary and she had written something on the late night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157. We are living in 2020. But she wrote this thing 2157 means she is in future. Many years. Then today Tommy found a real book. It was surprise from them. What a surprise that Tommy found a real book, because they didn't know what are books, because they were in 2157. We are in 2020. You can understand how many years. Lots of years are there. So they are in a new certain world. The world of computer, the world of e-books, the world of robotic studies, e-learning classes, many things we can say about this thing. So they were in different world. It was a very old book. How was the book? It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So Tommy's grandfather's grandfather, Dada ke Dada, told that it was a certain times that everything was written in paper. On paper. Can we say in paper preposition? On paper. 2 prepositions are there, in and on. How can we say this thing? In is there, on is there. This duster is on the table. You can't see the table here, but it's on the table. Then what does in suggest? In suggests that it is in that. You can just go through the preparation section, go through the video again and practice this thing. Let's go to our topic now. Again, that his grandfather's grandfather told that everything was written on paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and wrinkled. Wrinkly, we can say. करचली जो होती है हमारी ऐसे सब हो जाता है. That is wrinkly. And it was awfully funny to read words. So for them, this was a certain amazement, we can say. Oh, surprise! Book, something written on paper. Oh, it was amazing for them. It was a great surprise over them. So, and also little funny also. To read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. So they were in different world. Everything they got on the screen, we can say on computer, this all thing. And they were surprised that words are there. They are sitting on the paper. They are lying on a paper. They are on the paper. So it was amazing for them that words are there. In written form they are there. It might be printed form they are there. Oh, it is amazing for them. Then what? And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Again, some complication. Had is given. The sentence little bit complicated over here. Again, I would like to repeat. And then, when they turn back to the page before, When they turn back, means this is a book. I am going through this like this, like this, like this. I will go. The new chapters, new lessons, new poems, new question answers, new exercise, everything will come. But when I will return back, when I will return these pages back like this, the word will be same on the back side. Understood? I think so. Little bit yet confusion. Example: I am with this book. I had never seen any book, and I am surprised that words are there. Come on, I would like to go with the first paragraph here. Sorry, the starting, the basic of the lesson, the fun they had. Then I will turn pages like this. Then what will happen? Different topics will be there. But when I will return this thing, again I will come to the first chapter. Again I will get the first lesson. Again the fun they had. So here they were amazed. They had is written over there. Again the same thing is repeated. So they were surprised because once in computer screen these words are gone. Something new comes day by day. On the computer screen, it's the words are running over here and there. But here they are at still position. They are in silent position. So it was a one type of surprise for them. Then what happens? G, said Tommy. So he was G here means oh yeah, chi, like this, whatever words you all pronounce. Other chi, ganda, like this. What a waste. Who told? Tommy told. Oh, it's a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. What does the sentence mean? When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. Means whenever you read it, you have finished reading, you are throwing, as after 8th standard. Many of you threw away your books. Oh, let it go to hell. Now 8th standard is not there, no examination due to COVID-19. Now we are in 9th standard. So many of us got the opportunity without giving examination coming to in 9th standard. So like this, he told it's waste because once you are reading the textbook of 8th standard, after a year you are in 9th standard, then what will happen? This will become a waste for you. The textbooks of notebooks of 8th standards will be non-useful to you. Nothing it can be. No usable. Nothing. Let's go there. I guess our television screen must have 1 million books on it and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. He told that on our television screen. There are lots and thousands of books are there. As you go through computer, as you go through laptop, even nowadays tablet and mobile also. Many books you can store. So in a certain chip, you can store it. You can use it. And there is no wastage. But once some words are printed over on this paper, then the next year, in case of educational books, they are not useful. So he told it's a waste. Sorry. Same with mine, said Maggie. Maggie told, yes, same with mine. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many textbooks as Tommy had. He was 13 because Tommy was a elder one, 2 year elder than Maggie. So he knows better. He had gone through many books. So Maggie, in case of Maggie didn't go through more books, more this all documents etc. regarding the computer screen because they were learning on the computer screen. There were no books, even there were no laptops, nothing, a particular screen with them. What they have to do with that? We will go further. Let's go in. She said, where did you find it? In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic, a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. What it's about? School. Then question answer sections between Tommy and Margie. Margie told, from where did you find? He told it was in a storeroom. Then at last what he told? That it was about school. School? Oh, amazed. Which word, from where this word derived? We all know what is school. We all get each and every type of enjoyment regarding schools. But now he was surprised. School? Which type of school? What is there? What is school for them? Let's go. Margie was scornful. Scornful here meaning is contemptuous, showing you think something is worthless. For them, the word school, it was worthless. What does it mean? Because they never used to go to school, because they were learning in their home itself, in the special room, study room, on the computer screen. Whatever subjects, a timetable that is given to them, the same thing happens. Then we will go in the deep in the chapter. Then whatever. Margie was scornful. School? What there to write about school? I hate school. Aapke jaisi like you. Many of, I cannot say some names. They don't like school. Early waking up in the morning as you are sleeping in AC with a very good rajai over there, bed sheet over there, we can say. A good pillow, softy pillow with you, sleeping, and you have to come early in the morning in ascent and facing people, teachers like Vinod sir and this whole thing. So it's become ridiculous for them. But not like this. It's changed. The scenario has been changed. So for them, school, it's a boring place as she thinks. Really? Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. So, she hates school. But now she hated more. Why she is hating more and more instead of loving school and school? As we all enjoy, as I told in your class, the life that today you are living, you are coming in school, so the school days are the best days in your life. You can say the glorious, the happiest, the preschool, I didn't get more words how to appreciate these days. Literally, the golden period of your life is your school days. So, let's see, she's hating more and more nowadays. Why? The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. What was happening? The geographical teacher, means geography teacher, I am not their teacher. Not a person was there is her teacher. A computer program settled on the screen. So what was happening? The geography teacher used to give tests and tests and tests and tests. I am starting the first lesson today. I will give you test of second lesson. Tomorrow again I will give you third one. A day after tomorrow the fourth one. Then the vice versa, going day by day, day by day. What will happen? You will become pagal. What is this thing? And you will do worse and worse. Because you don't know. The same system was going on with Margie. But later her mother gave the same what? The screen or something to repair to the county inspector. A particular person used to come over there and he used to manage the program. You can say software engineer also. Hardware engineer. What's happened? How was he? A person who came over there. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He was coming there, round face, a man with lots of tools regarding in his bags and wires and many things. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. He was a children-loving person. Gave apple to Margie and took that screen aside. Means the whole system, we can say CPU in our word, because we are going now with the desktop computers, a laptop, yeah, something. So he took that thing and in a corner. Then what he did? Magi hoped that he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how. All right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. So some wiring section problem might be over there. Some hardware programming, yeah, or hardware work, yeah, software programming. Magi thought what this person will do. All wires are in Gujra, we can say in Gujarati. And parents, please don't complain, as it is my style to teach my student. So, what happened? She was fearful that what this man will do. ये क्या करेगा यार? ये सब लोचा हुआ है. But what that person did, he adjusted, because he know what to do. He adjusted all the things. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all lessons were shown and the question answers and the questions were asked. Now it was repaired and the screen started. All the questions, again the same thing. That wasn't so bad, it was good. The part Magi hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. Magi, as you all don't like to do homework, prepare for the test, etc., many things you all don't like. And that was a particular part that in that slot daily they have to use to do their work. Means as you are giving me your two other teacher, your notebook, or something of homework, your class notebook for checking and this all thing, your papers, many things. Like this, in their system also the same scenario goes on. They have to give, they have to put a particular things in a particular slots. As you are well known with computer, for example, in a particular drive, in a particular folder, if you are using, instead of book, you are using computer, then how you all will give me your lessons, your homework. You will come with your pen drive, mail me something. If you are coming with a pen drive, you will just copy that thing in my folder. Standard 9, English, Vinod sir, whatever might be the title. So you will put in that slot. Like this, the same thing was that. And that thing, Magi used to hate. I'm sorry. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So how this system works, as we used to learn A, B, C, D in our nursery level, LKG, UKG level, like this. So from A, B, C, D, we went to words, some little words, big words, then small sentences, and now the headache of grammar. As we are going through. The same system, coding system was there. Some course of coding was running over there. And that was taught when she was 6 years. So now she is about 11. So the level day by day increases. And that thing they have to use, they have to do. And what happens? In certain minutes, in some second, whenever you put your lessons regarding any subject, your test regarding any subjects in the computer screen, in a particular slot, the mechanical machine used to calculate it as soon as possible, because we all know the computerized system. Till here, I would like to stop this because of time duration. Try to read how much I taught you, means about 1.5 page. Go through it, try to read. You will get some words, you will get some sentences regarding direct, indirect, practice if you want. Go through some words, try to know more stories, discuss with your friends instead of talking some unnecessary things. It's compulsory for you. Thank you very much.